If your iPhone frozen, stuck on the Apple logo, or just not responding at all, here's how to force restart any iPhone model even if the screen is completely black. This is the fastest fix when your phone stops cooperating. No tools, no downloads, just one simple button combo. And this trick works from iPhone 8 to iPhone 15 or even 16, whatever you use. You can try this method to unfroze your phone. Press and release quickly the volume up button, then press and quickly release the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. And this one works for Face ID iPhones. And here's the thing, when should you force restart your phone? And this made the iPhone the fourth restart, makes the iPhone to fourth restart. And here's when you should use the forced restart on your iPhone. If your iPhone stuck on a black screen or won't respond to touch, even the freezes during an update, if it's stuck in a boot loop, this will not delete your data. It's 100% safe, but if it keeps happening, you might want to run a full system check using a Mac, PC, or Apple support. And post restarting your iPhone is like a soft reset. It clears out glitches without erasing anything. If this helped, drop a like so more people can find it. Subscribe if you want more nonsense tech fixes without 10 minutes of talking first. And if your phone still isn't working after this, check your phone in any Apple customer care nearby. See you in the next vlog.